Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be tying this Ankara fascinator style in few minutes. So here is my Ankara scarf. It's less than a yard, but you can use a yard too, and I divide it into two. Then I take this carton that I cut out in a round shape. You don't want the shape to be too big and you don't want it to be too small. Anyways, it still has to do with preference. If you like it big, you can do it a little bigger or a little smaller. So I take my Ankara. Remember, I divided into two. So this is the middle, and I use my Ankara to cover the carton. So yeah, you want to make sure that it's firm but not too tight, so that your carton will not start folding inside. And here is my rubber band, just one. I divide it into two, then use it to hold the bunch together, so you don't want it to unravel. That is why you are using the rubber band to hold it down. So while you are at it, you want to make sure that it's still firm, that you don't lose your grip. So the rubber band helps to hold the grip and helps to secure the fascinator round style. So now that I'm done, you can see it's well rounded and well bunched at the back, well secure as well. So we want to put it on our head. So I take it, and this is me trying to place the Ankara fabric on my head. You can put it on the left or on the right, but I think most people like to put their designs at the left side of their face. So yeah, I tuck the edge of the Ankara inside. Please tuck it inside, you don't want the edge showing. Then I come to the back to make a knot. So make sure that your knot is firm, and here is another knot to firmly secure it. Then I put the remnant of the material inside the scarf and I cover it. So you want to make sure that the covering is really neat. Remember, it's a fascinator style, so you don't want excess fabric everywhere. So once it's neatly covered, use your pin, hold it down, and see how the back is neat. You can come to the front and leave it like this if you don't have any extra design to use on it, but you can use your brooch, or yeah, I'm using my brooch and feathers. So I just plucked these two feathers out of one cloth I had, and voila, I tried to use it as a design. You can use something else like flower or something, just something to give it that extra sassiness. And please keep it simple, you don't want to go overboard. So I am fixing my brooch on the design. So this is me putting the feathers inside the pin of the brooch so that it can stay. So at this point, I just pin the feathers and the brooch to the fascinator hat design, and once I'm done, we have our really nice fascinator gele. You can use this for church, you can use this for a party. This is so classy. You can use it with any other material. You can use it with silk scarf or any other material you like. And I hope that you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if it has helped you, and check out my other videos. There's always something to learn. So I'll see you in my next one.